The festive season is right around the corner with Navratri, Diwali, Christmas, and many more such festivities lined up. I am sure that you must be looking for that festive glow not just for your skin but also for your hair that will last you one festival after another, right? If yes, then you have clicked on the right video. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Apeksha, a cosmetic dermatologist, and today we will discuss the hair care hacks for that festive glow which will last beyond the festivities too. Just like skin, your hair also needs a lot of care and a complete hair care detox to restore hair health. And with Mother Nature prepping up for the festivities with beautiful weather and pleasant showers, it's high time to step up the beauty game for flaunting that gorgeous skin and bouncy hair. Just simple tips can help you to get rid of dull, dry and lifeless hair and flaky scalp. So give your hair the required shine and boost with these hair care tips for the festive season. So first one is cleanse. Cleaning your scalp helps you get your hair back to its healthiest state as it revitalizes and helps your hair to grow and shine. In a nutshell, cleansing your scalp has numerous benefits. It removes oil, dirt and bacteria, open follicle pores, improves blood circulation to scalp, hair and increases nutrient delivery to follicle root and shaft. Use your fingers to massage your scalp while showering. Move your fingers in a circular motion or at least 5 minutes and rinse well with cool water. Second, use a good conditioner. Shampooing your hair is not the only thing that will do wonders for your hair. Applying a good conditioner is most important. Third, brush effectively. It is always advised to comb your hair after your hair is completely dry. While combing is necessary to untangle the knots in the hair, overdoing it can damage your hair. Choosing the right comb for you is also very important. For frizzy hair, a white tooth comb is preferred. Fourth, limited exposure to heating tools. Experimenting with various festive hairstyles usually demand styling with heating tools. Limit using blow dryers, hair straighteners and all kinds of styling equipments as much as you can. This is one of the best hair care tips we can suggest. And while we know this can be too big of an ask, let your natural hair be the star of the show this season. And if you must use any of this equipment like a hair color to get stunning locks, don't forget to apply a heat protectant in the rush. Fifth, use homemade mask for your hair. Deep conditioning your hair weekly or bi-weekly with a homemade hair mask can solve all your hair woes instantly. Now, although you can easily make a hair mask at home with coconut oil, aloe vera and shikakai powder, there are also plenty of natural hair masks available that are chemical free and are made with natural ingredients like coconut oil. You just have to pick the one suitable for your hair type. Deep conditioning will help to restore hydration and lock in moisture that will be lost throughout the festive season with exposure to pollution, hair styling, dirt and soot. Sixth, supplements. Eat a balanced meal that is full of vitamins and minerals and is nutrient and protein rich. A fruit a day and 4 almonds a day are very useful for your hair as well as skin. A balanced diet would help you the most to have gorgeous hair. Including vitamins in your diet and as part of hair care can help prevent hair loss. And do not forget to stay well hydrated by chugging water any chance you get. 7th, trim split ends. That uncomfortable sentence. I don't enjoy trimming my hair too, but those dry ends really don't make your hair prettier. Trim them, just do it. Nothing complements a radiant glowing skin than the lustrous silky mane. To attain that, one must take proper care of the stresses in advance. Go for a good haircut at least once in 2 to 3 months and explore new hairstyle ideas, especially in the festive season. 8. Oiling. A simple way to stimulate hair growth at home is to give yourself a scalp massage. Adding a nutrient-rich oil to the mix will only double the benefits. Castor oil is the unsung hero of the hair world. To give yourself a hot oil treatment, massage the oil into your scalp and then apply it all the way to the ends of your strands. Oiling improves blood circulation and nourishes the roots, so make sure to oil your tresses once a week with oil that suits your scalp. These hair care hacks will restore your hair's strength and shine. We hope that you get the most out of the upcoming festivals without wrecking your hair health. And the good news is that you can easily follow these hair care tips at home. So Get set and launch yourselves into an unforgettable festive season with voluminous, glossy, and healthy hair. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.